Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we talk about the Spore finance. What's the price of Spore finance? What's the price it's occurred the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, and we are also talking about the very urgent update of Spore finance. So keep watch this video till the end friends, because this video going to be very special, going to be very important for all of you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you're new to my channel, so please click the subscribe button and like this video friends. I'm very happy when you subscribe my channel, so please do this for me friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, as you can see here on the screen, the price of the Spore as $0 friends. That's not mean that the price is zero friends. That's mean that the price is very low friends. Don't worry, I will show you the price of the Spore finance, but here is not showing because the price is very low friends. On the other hand, if you look the price since occur in the Spore finance coin, so as you can see here, the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, the whole changes occur in the Spore finance is going upward friends. So that's mean that the price is very low friends. The change occur in the Spore finance is positive friends. So now the decision for all of you is clear that it's time to buy say Spore finance, and if you are also already holder of Spore finance coin, so it's time to hold Spore finance. Let's see the price chart of the Spore finance for more details. As you can see here, first of all I will show you the price of Spore finance. As you can see here, a big bundle of zeros, and after a big bundle of zeros there is the one friends. So that's mean that the price of the Spore finance is very low friends. So anyways, let's see the prices occur in the Spore finance in the last 1 day. 58.97% positive change occur in the Spore finance. Same like that, the price of the Spore finance highest is about 0.00000000. I can't count the zeros, but after a big bundle of zeros there is a one friends. And friends, if you look the chart of the Spore finance, so as you can see here, as I told you in my earlier videos, that that is the common phenomenon after cryptocurrencies market, that after a fast there is a jump friends. As you can see at this time the falls occur, and now as you can see at this time the jumping period of the Spore finance are start now, and in this time they are also in the jumping more friends. So celebrate this jump, and I hope that Spore finance give you a good amount of profit in the future friends. What's your prediction, what's your opinion about Spore? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe IB's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.